To find car dropshipping products worth testing, do not start by saving random car gadgets from TikTok. Start with the problem the driver is trying to fix. In ProductLair, search for car. You will get some noise like cartoon or card, so ignore anything that is not actually for drivers or car owners. Then filter the real car products by demand, competition, and margin. I would start with high demand, then look for low or medium competition. This rear-view camera has demand, but it is already more competitive, so I would only test it with a specific angle. This wiper blade restorer is cleaner. Every driver understands streaky wipers, the supplier cost is low, and the competition signal is easier to work with. That is the pattern you want. Practical fix, simple demo, enough margin, and no giant review wall. Look for charging, visibility, cleaning, organization, safety, or comfort problems. I linked ProductLair below so you can shortlist these faster.